Hello, in this video I will show you how to change subtitles on Paramount Plus. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is firstly open the browser, then open your Paramount. Now you can do this on your TV as well, it's totally up to you. Now in order to change subtitles, first you will need to choose a show that you want to watch. So let's say for example, Halo. Just simply click on watch now and start the show. Now the show can be anything, so it's totally up to you. Now once your show has started, in order to change the subtitles, all you have to do is click on this option right over here. Then you will have the subtitles options right over here. Now depending on the country that you're in, the second subtitle will be that and the original subtitle will be available at the top, as you can see right over here. So currently my country is Germany. So this is my second language and the main language is going to be the language that the actual web series is. So you simply choose whatever language you want, and if you go back and play, you will be able to see it's changed. Now there are some more settings that you can try. If you go to subtitle settings option, and over there you will be able to change a lot of things, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.